Hello and welcome.
Good to be back. It's a hot, blazing summer day here. We're outside a new construction 3-bed, 2-bath house in the Hawks Point subdivision that we've been building for the last couple months. This is an entry-level house that will get listed for just under $250,000. Right now we've got it essentially dried in, which means it's got the roof, the windows, and the house wrapper on. We've got siding on 3 sides of it, just not the side you can see right now. There'll be a driveway right here leading directly into the garage, which you can access the house via the unfinished basement. That would add about another 300 or so square feet to the house. Let's go inside and look from there. So right now we're standing inside the aforementioned 2-car garage. It's pretty deep, so you could fit either a truck or full-size sedan in it. Over here is your entry into the basement and then up into the rest of the house, which come on through here. It's just studded out, but the plumbing's all easy to tap into and the electrical's right there. We're not going to enclose the walls to leave that available as an option for potential buyers. You'll have a separate entrance going out to the backyard. You also have a deck off the top, and then
Nice looking lot.
yeah,
It's the invisible deck right there.
that is, yes.
Cool.
It's non-load bearing.
I would imagine. Kind of like the front porch right now, or at least
Yeah.
the stairs out there.
There's quite a few things in this house that are non-existent at this point, like the kitchen.
I like what you've done with it.
Right, yeah. So this new concept is our air kitchen. In other words, we still have to put cabinets in, but it's a U-shaped kitchen layout with a peninsula. The sink will go over there. The range and the microwave right there in the middle of that back wall. The fridge will be right here. You have a pantry closet or utility closet across the way.
And here's where the deck goes, right?
Yes.
Right?
There will be a deck there, but it's an open concept floor plan, so the kitchen kind of looks into the rest of the main living area. You've got a big tray ceiling up here, lots of windows to let plenty of natural light in off the front. We go down this way, you've got just the hallway that goes to the bedrooms with a coat closet, laundry. These will all have doors at one point in time, closer to finish. You've got 2 smaller kids or guest bedrooms, hallway bath right there. This is our master, again with another tray ceiling in it.
Big
Master closet.
walk-in closet. Nice. And then you got I like what you did with the vanity here. It's very nice.
Yeah.
It's one of those invisible vanities. They're like the new rage.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's good, man. I like it.
So all the cabinets will be soft close cabinetry. We'll have carpet in the bedrooms. We'll have hardwood floors in the hallway, in the living area, in the kitchen. The baths and the laundry will be tiled floors. Granite counters on everything, and a stainless steel appliance package.
It's great. And how many more of these are you going to build?
Well, we still have, I think, 12 lots left to build in this neighborhood, and those represent the last 12 lots that can be built on.
Okay.
There's a number of different floor plans available, but again, we've sold, I think, 80-85% of these. We've gone under contract prior to the homes even being finished, so I think that speaks for itself as well.
Cool.
That's all I got.
All right.